Hey guys, what if you could be paid just to laugh? Today I do a review on an app that pays you to do just that. Be sure to smash that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the methods I review, and then you can stay ahead of all your other competitors. Okay, let's get right into this. I particularly love this method, and let me say straight up that it's both for iOS and Android users. Okay, this app actually pays you to sit back, chill, and laugh. It sounds weird, but it's true. I've used the app, I'm still using the app, and I get payments for the app. So the app is called Clipclaps, and I'm going to be going over what Clipclaps really is, how you can get paid, how you can have fun with it, and everything else inside the app. So let's go right into the app. Okay, so here we are. This is Clipclaps. And what this app does, like I said, is to have you watch funny videos on your timeline, and you get paid for doing that. All you have to do is get the app. I believe in a description. I believe in a link, sorry, in the description of this video where you can access the app from. So you get the app, you sign up. Sign up is easy. You can either use your Facebook, your Gmail, or your phone number. After you've signed up, you receive a confirmation code which you'll need to activate your sign up. And once you've done that, you are good to go. So you come on this app and you keep scrolling to find videos that you like. Let's play this one.
The taste test. You gotta tell me what this is, okay? The first one here. Bite it. What is that?
My favorite.
What?
Chocolate with the white. Looks like vanilla.
Nice. Bite this one. What flavor is this?
Strawberry.
It's not strawberry. Guess again.
Mango.
Mango. It tastes like mango to you?
Strawberry mango.
Oh shit, oh shit, she's not about to.
It's not hard.
You see that? Now, I just got points for watching this video. If you look towards the down part of the app, you see a timer that counts, that moves gradually. As soon as it gets to the chest at the end, which you see here, you collect the chest. It automatically enters into your rewards section, and all you have to do is tap on rewards, tap on open, and collect whatever is in the chest. I just got 6 extra raffle tickets, Amazon tickets. I just got 50 clap coins, another 50 clap coins, and another 100 clap coins. I'm going to show you what all of this rewards mean and how you can exchange all of that for PayPal money. And guys, what I love especially about this app is you can withdraw as low as 10 cents. So soon as you make 10 cents, you withdraw, but then it starts to increase like that. You'll be required to make $2 to withdraw, $6, just like that. It keeps going on and on and on like that. If you were using this app before now, you'd notice that they just ended the $10 giveaway that was done. I'm sorry, apologies for not putting up this video before then, but I got caught up in things. But notwithstanding, even without referring anybody, you could chill, watch videos, and end points. Like, it's so easy, so simple to use, and so fun to use as well. Sometimes the timer takes 30 seconds to get to the chest. Sometimes it takes 1 minute, sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes it takes 4 minutes, just like that. And I also find that even though you're not watching any videos, you're just scrolling, like you're scrolling to see, okay, which would I watch, and stuff like that, you would still get points because the timer keeps moving. The timer only stops when the app detects that no activity is going on in it, then it freezes. Let's see if that's going to happen now since I've stopped scrolling. Let's leave it for a while. It's actually still counting, but usually it freezes. Like you see, the yellow timer turns blue to indicate that it's frozen, and exactly, it just did that now. It's about freezing. You see that it has frozen, so I have to come back into the app and perform an action. I could just keep swiping and decide to not watch any video, but because I love the videos, I love the pictures on this app, I get to play them. You just want to laugh, and I mean, what's life without laughter? So that's how simple this app is to use. Let me just collect the last chest, and I'll go to other parts of the app to explain to you how it really works. Okay. Boom. So I'm gonna collect. You could decide to leave all of your rewards there until whenever you're ready to collect. It's not a problem. And I got another 3 raffle tickets. Okay, so let's come to, this is how you cash out. Yeah, this is your wallet. You can either cash out using your clap coins, and clap coins are the coins you get from the chest, from watching the videos and all that, which can be exchanged for more coins, and again exchanged for PayPal cash. So if you look carefully at this wallet, you see that I have about 3,476 clap coins, and in USD that's about 0.03 cents. In naira, that's about 13 naira. Now I have this offer where I can give 300 clap coin to receive 3,000 clap coin after 24 hours. I've done that before. Let me come to my account and show you my notification. Yeah, your clap fund have matured. I did that yesterday, obviously. I made a withdrawal yesterday of 10 cents, as you can see here. It's just I think it's about my second 10 cents that I have withdrawn from this app. Again, Clipclaps has different options, ways for you to stack up that money. Here I'm told to share on Facebook to get an instant $1. And when Clipclaps says they give you money, they give you money. It's just how good and sweet this app is. Okay, I've not done that yet. I'll probably do that at the end of this video. Let's come back to let's come back here. The app actually has a game center where you can play other games in the app to get more coins. So you click on either of these if you love the game, and you simply play to get more clap coins, which you can exchange for PayPal. That's it. There's something very important I need to let you guys know about this app. You have to have a PayPal account that you have access to, and the reason for this is this: once you've locked your PayPal account to this app, you cannot change it for any reason. So if you type in your PayPal account wrongly and you go to make refund, you go to make withdrawals, it's going to enter into whatever email address you've used, whether you have access to it or not. Is not the business of the creators of this app, and there's nothing you can do to get the money back. So you have to make sure, you have to be very sure that you're using the right PayPal account. Let's come back to rewards, and I'll show you how to, very important, refer friends, and make sure that they reflect in your account. There are lots of ways to refer friends. So what you want to do is, you want to come, let me go back and show you. You want to come on here where you see free, you tap on it, and then you copy your link, or you go straight to sharing on Facebook. If you want to share on Facebook, it automatically copies your link. Or let's take that back. go back, this card, you send as a message if you want, but here's what I recommend you do. You go to more, you copy your share link to a clipboard, and what I'm about to show you is going to give you a special Clipclap code aside from the one which is already in your account, which is this one. As you can see here, people can as well sign in using this Clipclap code. But what I'm about to show you is a better way. So once you've copied your link by going to rewards, don't forget that, tapping on free, going to more, copying it, you close the app, you go to any browser of your choice. I hope this still works because I've done it before. You open a fresh page, tap the link, put the link in there, and let it load. Beautiful. Soon as that has loaded, you see this area where it says use the code below to collect $1 sign up bonus. It's very important you copy it, and the reason why this is important is anyone who signs up using your link, pay attention guys, like this is the most important part of the video. Anyone who signs up using your link and does not go here at the redeem section to click on redeem and input this code, your code that you must send to them, and then click redeem. Of course, it's not going to work for me because this is my own code, and I did that using the code of the person who I signed up on, and I got $1 and the person also got $1. Now, if your referrals do not do this, here's what's gonna happen. They are going to sign up. You probably get $1, but they won't. Like if they use your referral link, you definitely get $1, but they won't. And because they won't, when they invite others, the other people they invite to will also have the same issue of not getting their bonuses like they didn't. So guys, I hope I explained that well enough. It's very important that you do what I just showed you. You come on rewards, you come on free, click on that. I'm going over it again because it's important. You click on more, you copy your link to your clipboard, you go on any browser of your choice, impute it into the browser and load it. Then you actually want to screenshot this or screen grab, because I don't think you can do this twice, so that you can always have ready this code, and then whoever you invite, after inviting them with your link, after sharing your link to them, the Clipclap link to them, and they've signed up, make sure, be so intentional about it that they click on redeem and use your code, because if they don't do that, they will be limiting themselves to any more, and that is just going to harm everybody. So guys, that's how it works. I kind of got affected by this the first time I started using Clipclap. This is not my first account, yo. I got affected by this, and the people I invited, I wasn't getting their referral bonuses. I would only get, let me see if I could, oh no, not on this one. I would only get notifications telling me that, oh, I've gotten a sign up, and then I'll be giving treasure chests. It's only when I open those treasure chests that I now get the bonuses in the treasure chest. But how it ought to be is I get $1 for every sign up. Then the people who using my link to sign up get $1, and then I get profits in the chest. That's how it works. So guys, this is all about the app. It's very sweet and easy to use. Trust me, you could just sit on your phone for the next 2 hours and you've made $5 doing nothing but watching videos. I see no reason why you shouldn't jump on this one. I'm going to leave my link and my code, of course, in the description of this video. Using my link and my code is not compulsory, but I'd consider that as you showing support to the channel, and I would really appreciate that. I hope you loved this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and I'm definitely going to respond to them. A quick one: all the points and chests and coins you collect from watching the videos, they go, of course, you know where your Clipclap points go to, but your raffle tickets come here, and you keep collecting until you hit this amount. So once I get to 120 points, I would be eligible to use a raffle ticket, which would definitely give me $1 at least that I can exchange with for money. I know this because this is not my first Clipclap account, like I said before. Same thing goes for the raffle draw. Same thing goes for each raffle draw is of different stages. This is for $1, this is for $10, this is for Amazon gift cards for those of you who love Amazon cards. And guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and be on the lookout for my next video. Love you guys.